Hey everyone, today on Who, What, Where, When, Why, How, To, we're going to be unboxing / reviewing the Sylvester Stallone Rocky Heavyweight Collection. That's right. So this is the Rocky Sylvester Stallone Heavyweight Collection. It's the 40th anniversary edition. Check out all the cool scenes. Here's the bottom if you guys want to check it out. And I'm going to give you the full walkthrough of everything. Comes with the DVD. It says 40 years and still a champ. Comes with a DVD, some cool posters, and all the Blu-rays. So here it is. Comes with the Rocky 2, Rocky 3, Rocky 4, Rocky 5, and Rocky Balboa. So let's check it out. So first we will start by peeling this baby open. Sometimes these things can be tricky. So open it up. And there we go. Ooh, there we go. She's sealed for freshness. Okay. So now, got it open, and let's slide it out. Let's see what we got. So first, let's crack open these posters, and I will show you what they look like. So, first, we have the Italian Stallion Rocky poster. Check it out close. Boom. Next up, we have the Mickey Southpaws Oughta Be Banned poster. That's pretty cool. And these are like a kind of like when you develop a picture. That's kind of how they look. Here's the back. And now we have Apollo Creed, the King of Sting. Cool. It's kind of like an Andy Warhol type. Clubber Lang, Mr. T. This guy will kill you to death. Yeah, that was my best impression. Pretty cool. Ooh, and Ivan Drago. Whatever he hits, he destroys. He's pretty cool. You guys gotta look him up. He still actually looks similar to what he used to look. He's pretty jacked out actually. And last but not least, the Rocky cover. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool addition. Let's place these here. I like to try to do these quick, so that way you people do not get bored, because I know I get bored pretty quickly. Okay, so here is the Rocky Stallone Heavyweight Collection. Comes with all 6 discs, Blu-rays. And let me just cover this because there is a code, online code here. And you know. So here is, it comes with Go the Distance, all new featurette, Apollo Legacy of Legend. You can instantly stream it, and you have till December 31st, 2016. So it actually doesn't come on the DVD, the Blu-ray. You do have to stream it, which is kind of poop, but it works. So I'll put that there. So here's the first one. It is Rocky 1. Then it comes with Rocky 2. And then Rocky 3, Rocky 4, Rocky 5, and Rocky Balboa. And that's pretty much what it comes with. Now, it does have, on the back of the cover, let me just pull it out here, it does tell you all the credits to each movie. And this is the cover. Anyways, guys, for more reviews, how-tos, and just anything you can think of, Please subscribe to Who, What, Where, When, Why, How, To. And thanks everyone for watching, and we'll teach you later.